Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the runway construction at the Sangster International Airport. So they are extending the runway to 3,060 feet. Sorry, meters, 3,060 meters. And that is the existing runway you're looking at now. And then this section, that's the Sangster International Airport. And then over here now is where they are building the new runway. And there you can see it's practically finished. This entire project should be finished by summer of this year. And that's the extension of the runway, I should say. So at 3,060 meters, it's going to be the longest runway in Jamaica. And this is the busiest airport in Jamaica. You could add up the traffic at all the other airports in Jamaica, it still wouldn't be as busy as this airport. The other international airports are the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston and the Ian Fleming International Airport in Ocho Rios. And then you have aerodromes. You have the Tinsapen Aerodrome in Kingston. You have an aerodrome in Negril, which is actually going to be upgraded to an international airport very soon. And then you have an aerodrome in Port Antonio. And the airport in the Ian Fleming International Airport was the Bosco Bay Aerodrome, but it was upgraded to an airport. So the only other airport that can land the big planes is the Norman Manley International Airport. And that runway, I think, is 2,000... I don't have the exact figure off my top of my head. But it is the longest runway in Jamaica as of today, active runway. But when this one is finished, the Sangster International Airport will be the longest runway in Jamaica. But this airport, the Sangster International Airport, it's the largest airport in Jamaica and the busiest airport in Jamaica. And the majority of the persons that use this airport are tourists. 75% or 72% of all the tourists that come into Jamaica come through this airport. And 95% of all persons that use this airport travel internationally. So that will give you an idea of just how busy it is. And while we were out here doing the video, we saw 3 planes taking off. That's how busy it is. So the contractor for this project is an Irish company. They build runways all over the world. I can imagine so many people thought it was China Harbour Engineering Company, because once you hear a contractor and it's a major project, you know it's usually China Harbour Engineering Company. And the local contractor, well, there was a local contractor working with them. So this project, it was announced recently that the new runway will be opened in summer of this year. So there you can see that fence you're looking at on the left is actually the end of the airport property. So it's a secure area, that's why they have up the chain link fence. And at the, straight ahead, well, we'll pass it in a little bit so you can see it better, but they have like a different fence at the end of it. Okay, there you can see. The bridge is blocking it now, but there is they're building an additional fence. There you can see it on the left. So you're not going to be able to look through the chain link fence. I guess it's for security reasons. Not sure, but look at this area outside here now. You notice that they're clearing the land. So it looks like a development is going to happen out here. So the airport ends at that fence that we showed you. There's another entrance to the airport up here on the right, but that might be just for the construction. But they've cleared this area here, so if anybody knows what the plans are for this land over here, this entire area, let us know. This is the White House area in Montego Bay, and they have quite a few. Well, one hotel I know, Sandals, is further down the road. We pass the airport and keep going down. Sandals has a hotel there. But something is definitely happening out here. So if anybody knows, let us know, and we will keep track of the project. Alright, so straight ahead now is the Northern Coastal Highway, and that you turn left, you go into Trelawney, Ocho Rios, or St. Anne, all the way to Port Antonio. Turn right, you go into the city of Montego Bay and head over to Hanover and then Negril. So this highway is a very busy highway in Jamaica. Alright guys, well, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.